I'm doing the needle felting for the portrait, and in this stage you have to make 3 knots to make the body part. The first stage will be like this. It's not firm enough, and I just do some 3 knots here, and then try to cover it with those wool, and then poke it. We will get this one like this. Both sides are opened, and then we have to cover this side and to be like this. So compare this one and this one, we have to add more wool at this part, so we will just tear some wool. Then cover it like I think that this better way here. Cover it here, then like this, and then we poke again. The open part is covered, walls will be like this, and then the top part is still open, so that's why the previous picture will be like we will make a neck and then the head again. So the neck will be like this. To put it on top, it's neck, and then the head is 1 knot. I try to make knots to be quickly to make those structure. So you put up the knot here and combine the neck, and this is part body, then put it together. Then we cover some new wool on this top like this to cover it all. Then okay, we show this rapidly. It will be like this, and it's not firm enough yet. The condensity is quite not work like this. It's soft, fluffy, and we'll have to make it to this stage. This stage will be more refined, and the texture will be like this. It's more firm and condensity, yeah, compared to this one. And from here to here, perhaps I'll take some more than 3 hours, I think, because I like this texture more. Yeah. The weight for this one is almost like around 8 grams, and this one is almost 21 grams. So from here to here, it will be like double size. Double weight for those, so you can see how much time you need and the progress from here to here. So enjoy your journey to do the needle felting, and see ya.